what's up? Yesterday at Goat Peak, I tried to record some of the intro for part of the invitation for this project to explain what I was doing, and the wind kind of blew out the audio completely. And not only that, some of the lighting was kind of whack, so I didn't really like the video that I got. So I'm out here today at the end of the road, pretty much, way deep in the back of Mazama, to try again. This trail probably only goes back like 2 or 3 miles before there's a washout, so it's good. I haven't been back here this year. It'll be good to see what the trail conditions are, what's going on. This is also a Saturday vlog. I wouldn't normally vlog on a Saturday, but I have this extra lecture that I really want to get done when I talk about universal enveloping algebras, so that next week we can just start with affine Lie algebras. So that's where we're starting today. This place is crawling with people, like the whole valley. Way back in all of these campgrounds, just crazy. Hey, what's up? Good?
Are we on camera?
Oh, you are now! Did you make it to the bridge?
Yeah, we did.
Did it? It's still a little mess?
Oh, the lack of a bridge.
Yeah. Bummer.
Have fun.
Hey, thanks. Well, I guess that settles it. Bridge is out. Still, not like they were gonna fix it. I mean, really, it's not like they're gonna tackle that project until the fall, if they ever tackle it. It goes from cold and wintry to snow melt. Still, I haven't actually been out there in the spring, so I'm curious what the river's doing. Okay, so last time we talked about tensor algebras, and we talked about how you could do quotients of them all over the place. This time, we're going to consider another quotient, and that quotient is going to be the thing that kind of identifies the Lie bracket with the commutator. So just like when we talked about modules and representations of modules, oh, more people. Hold on. Hey, what's up? Good. Make it to the bridge?
Yeah.
The bridge.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, throw a rope across? Yeah, maybe in October. So when we talked about representations of Lie algebras on modules, the algebra action acted as a commutator. Moreover, you remember how the commutator is kind of like that natural Lie bracket on an associative algebra? So, sorry, I had to shake out some dust there from my head. So we define the ideal that effectively imposes the Lie bracket as a commutator on the tensor algebra. What was I trying to say with that? It's not just dust in this head. Oh God, all right. So you've got a Lie algebra. A Lie algebra is a vector space, so we can totally consider the tensor algebra of that Lie algebra. And then you consider tensor factors of it. That's how you extend out kind of the multiplication or the bracket structure of the Lie algebra. So then you can consider many products. And that kind of universe, that's why, then hence the name, universal enveloping algebra. Anyway, I gotta stop talking and start looking because it's beautiful all around me, all the time. Look at this place. We're basically sneaking into the guts of the North Cascades from the east side.
Actually, the creek doesn't look that bad right now. We could probably cross it, no problem. But God knows what the other side of the trail looks like. That's a better project to do with someone else.
All right, let's go back.
So the thing about going through all this underbrush, there's all these little critters in there. Chipmunks are kind of active right now. And, you know, the same thing that makes it hard to see the critters makes it hard to see the snakes. Don't snakes eat critters? I don't really know if there's snakes out here. But still, caution. It's just so pretty. I can't stop filming. Hooray, back in the car. Oh, look, there are snakes on this trail.